Ninja BL610 Professional Review 2026. Is it worth the investment? Are you tired of using blenders that leave a mess everywhere and don't quite get the job done? Do you struggle to find time in your busy schedule to cook healthy meals, let alone blend them into a smooth consistency? But here's what surprised me. After testing the Ninja BL610 Professional, I discovered that this blender is not just any ordinary blender. Therefore, I'm excited to share my findings with you today. For the best price, click the link in the description. The Ninja BL610 Professional is a high-performance blender designed for professional use, but don't let that intimidate you. It's also perfect for home cooks who want to take their blending game to the next level. As I delved deeper into this product, I was impressed by its robust design and sleek features. But what really sets it apart from other blenders is its incredible power and versatility. The Ninja BL610 Professional boasts a 1.5 horsepower motor that can handle even the toughest ingredients with ease. Whether you're blending hot soups, frozen fruit, or thick sauces, this blender can do it all. Therefore, if you're tired of struggling with mediocre blenders that leave you frustrated and disappointed, I highly recommend giving the Ninja BL610 Professional a try. But is it worth the investment? That's what we'll be exploring in this review, so let's dive deeper into the features and benefits of this amazing blender. The Ninja BL610 Professional comes with a 6-point pitch blade that ensures smooth blending every time. The pitcher itself is BPA-free and made from high-quality Triton material, which is both durable and easy to clean. But what really gets me excited about this product is its advanced cooling system. This means that the motor won't overheat, even when handling long blend sessions or tough ingredients. Therefore, you can blend with confidence, knowing that your Ninja BL610 Professional will keep up with your culinary needs. Now I know what you're thinking. Is it really worth the investment? And my answer is, absolutely. The Ninja BL610 Professional may be an investment upfront, but its quality and performance make it well worth the cost. Plus, with its durable design and long-lasting motor, this blender will be your trusted companion in the kitchen for years to come. But don't just take my word for it, let's take a closer look at some of the key features and benefits. Key features: 1.5 horsepower motor for powerful blending. 6-point pitch blade for smooth blending every time. Advanced cooling system to prevent overheating. BPA-free pitcher made from high-quality Triton material. Benefits: versatile, can handle hot soups, frozen fruit, and thick sauces with ease. Durable, long-lasting motor and easy-to-clean design. Powerful, can blend even the toughest ingredients with confidence. Efficient, advanced cooling system prevents overheating. Therefore, if you're looking for a high-performance blender that will take your cooking to the next level, look no further than the Ninja BL610 Professional. But what about the price? Is it really worth the investment? As I mentioned earlier, the Ninja BL610 Professional may be an investment upfront, but its quality and performance make it well worth the cost. Plus, with regular use, you'll save money in the long run by reducing food waste and making healthier choices. Therefore, don't let the price intimidate you. Invest in your cooking future today. For the best price on Amazon, click this link in the description below.